Thermaltake Toughpower GF3 1200W ATX v3.0 power supply review. We can expect to see more and more ATX v3.0 and PSI 5.0 compatible PSUs in the coming months. Thermaltake's GF3 lineup adheres to the ATX specification, which includes 12 VHPWR connectors. That makes it difficult to test transient response since you need to load up the PSU above 200% of its maximum capacity. The most prominently powerful model of this run is the GF3 1200W, built on a CWT base. Conversely, the GF3 1350 and 1650 feature a platform given by high power and have an entirely different design. Even the modifiable cables between them are not uniform electrically. The GF3 1200W receives a gold classification from Cybernetics and 80+ and earns a standard rate of noise from Cybernetics. This implies that the PSU is not completely silent while running. It features an ultra-rapid speed profile that governs the fluid-bearing fan. Alas, its relatively tiny size with just 160mm depth means there's not much interior airflow happening. Due to this issue, its max operational temperature for continual full load use is capped at 40 degrees Celsius, which is lower than what's generally seen in premium PSUs at 50 degrees Celsius. Thermaltake went with a conventional exterior design, featuring small plated holes on the fan grille and exhaust. Larger openings would be more beneficial as this would lower fan speed and reduce noise. Besides the power switch and AC receptacle, there is a small switch at the unit's front side that allows you to toggle on off the semi-passive operation. It is pleasant to have the ability to deactivate this fan stop feature. With the distance between the peripheral connectors being at a comfortable 150mm. And the number of legacy PSI connectors being low with only 2 cables required. This PSU is equipped with a 12+4-pin PSI connector capable of outputting up to 600 watts. This makes it great for powering NVIDIA's RTX 4000 series graphics cards without needing adapters. It's great to see OCP and OPP are set at 12 volts, as it's a strong PSU. However, the minor rails have high OCP triggering points, particularly the 3.3 volts rail that typically doesn't get used much by modern systems. The original equipment manufacturer of the platform is Channelwell Technology, and its codename is CSC. Its sleek design has analog controllers to supervise all circuits. The arrangement of a half-bridge topology with an LLC resonant converter on the main section and synchronous rectification system. With 8 Infineon FETs making up the 12 volts rail, 2 VRMs taking care of minor rails can be seen. The cooling fan is Honghua's piece utilizing a fluid dynamic bearing that should perform without any issues as long as you don't push it too hard past 40 degrees Celsius. Quality-wise, both construction and soldering are done excellently. For increased conductivity and diminished power losses at high loads, CWT also reinforced some PCB tracks with copper plates on the solder side of the PCB. Both voltage inputs have high overall performance, with a slight edge going to the cooler master unit when utilizing 230 volts. Toughpower GF3 1200 from Thermaltake's PSU collection works hard to provide top-quality, high-performance products. Their ties with manufacturers like CWT are very noteworthy when it comes to this. The CSC framework is put into use here with quality parts installed in the resulting output of this model. Out of gold-rated 1200 watts units, there weren't too many options, so either opted for lower capacity gold ones or went with similar capacity platinum models. The lower wattage GF3 models, 750 watts and 850 watts, effectively passed their corresponding examinations.